remaining. Christian's free throw shot is good for 2. 14-16. Mike B for 3. First team foul. Rico escapes but no good. Rebound by Mike. Pass to Mike B to June Centeno. One-legged shot is good for 2. 45-16. Christian to Goods. Nice pass by Christian. June Centeno for 3. 3-on-1. June Centeno ahead and lays it up for 2. Assist from Good. So, okay lang yan. JV. Bounce pass to Perez. Nice pass. And 2 points for Edmond. Goods for 3. There you go, Goods. So, Asyong. Walang isip-isip. Tira lang, tira. 3-on-1. JV decides to take it straight to the basket. Layup, no good, but he gets the rebound. Asho with the steal. Mike B to Arnold. Arnold, yes. Assist from Mike B. 2 points to the rim. 10 seconds. Good for 2. 6. What a cut by Asho. Pass from JV. 2 points for Asho. 2 points for JV. 3-second violation. Jumper, rebound by Christian. Christian goes to goals for 2. Scored by Christian. Nice side step. Pangkiapo side step. Block by Roman. Rebound by Mike. Follow up by June Centeno for 2. 6. Steven for 2. 73-32. Rico. Wow. Nice move by Rico. Rebound. Christian lays it up to Rico. Turnover. Rico. Oh, kala mo basura yan, ha?